Watching F5. We are at GITEX 2023 here in Dubai. This is an incredible conference, huge amount of attendees here, maybe over 200,000. I'm not entirely sure just yet, we'll figure that out. I'm actually joined by Zakeer. Zakeer is a longtime F5er. He is Director or Manager of Solutions Engineering. Zakeer, I'll let you introduce yourself really.
Hi, thanks Bill for this. I'm Zakir Zubair. I'm currently heading the team of solutions engineers in Gulf and Turkey. I've been with F5 a little over 16 years, and it's fantastic to see another GITEX which is started with a big bang, really. It started with really big bang today.
Yeah, it's enormous. Have you been to a number of GITEXs at this point?
So yeah, our first GITEX was with F5 was way back in 2017, which was way smaller than this. We were in a much more smaller, and the team was way smaller as well. I believe it was like 4 or 5 of us, and it's really proud to see how we've grown from that small hall to what we have today, and we have you visiting over from the other parts of the world, across the pond to here to cover this. So it's been incredible.
Yeah, I consider myself really fortunate to be able to see this actually, and to be able to create some content around here, because I didn't understand the enormity of this until and when I think about the number of 200,000 people, it's hard to even think about it. And then when you actually step foot in the halls, and then you realize there's like 15 other halls as well, like there's no way to actually cover all of this. It's incredible. We're wearing glasses right now. I'm going to take mine off. You can leave yours on if you want.
I'm going to take mine off.
But I'm just showing off the swag that you can pick up if you come by the F5 booth here. It's got an F5 logo on the side, just a subtle logo. So if you are here this week, come on by. Grab some sunglasses from us. So, Zakeer, with you having been at F5 for so long and in the same region for so long, can you tell me a little bit about how it's evolved over the last 15 years?
Alrighty, as you would see in the rest of the world, our customers have been really trying to focus on enriching the digital experience of their customers. So what started as a simple application that was living in a data center within a premise of your control has now spanned across multiple environments, multiple hyperscalers, and even the way they are delivering the applications have changed. And accordingly, if you look at the journey of F5, what we have been as a hardware load balancer, which was always in a data center, has evolved as well. I remember when we joined initially, our slide deck was like 8 or 9 slides that covers the whole breadth of F5 solution. And today we have different platforms really that can help our customers regardless of where the applications are, on premise, in private or public cloud, as well as on the edge. So yes, we have seen a massive shift in the way people are using technology. Customers are delivering their applications to the consumers. And also in here, we live in a country where the government really encourages e-services to make the lives of residents really, really easier and safer. So yes, we have seen a massive change, and it's incredibly happy to see that we are able to provide consistent security, no matter where the applications are living, and also provide capabilities like API security, bot management, those pesky automated traffic, and also to keep away from DDoS attack that often happens, and we are able to help our customers with that.
I think right now too, as I notice some of the booths, and maybe it's just where I'm standing or what I've seen so far, but a lot of smart city type stuff, where I can imagine, and actually last time I was in Singapore, I sat in on a presentation around smart cities. A lot of it came around to APIs and the interconnectivity in between all that. So I can only imagine like our solutions when it comes to API security and DDoS mitigation too. I can imagine you can DDoS a city now. Like if the city is digital, it's going to have an IP address. So there's a way to attack it at that point. Are you kind of seeing the same thing, this digital city here?
Yes, there has been some announcements in the wider region about some cities that are starting with the concept. It's not an organic growth, but it's starting with the concept that yes, this is going to be a digital city, and we see some announcements. In fact, we have some of the booths around us, which is about digital city as a whole from the grounds up. So yes, we do see that, and this is a region which is not shy to embrace technology as it's available to make it easier and safer for the consumers and users.
Yeah, I'm glad. I mean, just the population growth as well, you can only imagine there's going to need to be a lot of scale for these technologies here. You need to secure them along the way. So I think we're in a good position here for what we're doing with F5. What would you say as far as the growth of the team here? You've been around for a long time now. I guess started as a solutions engineer and done some other things as well. But how has the team grown over the years?
So the team has grown incredibly over the years, proportionate to the growth of the business as well. All right. So today we have different functions working out of the local office in Dubai. Dubai is the we have the regional HQ in Dubai, and we have different functions such as the sales and pre-sales and marketing, the professional services support and inside sales and all that. So team has been growing over the years, and we continue to grow as well. And one specific thing that I would like to call out is our program where we give a chance to interns to come onto the team and give them a chance to really learn everything throughout a year period. That's the period of the internship. And at the end of internship, to be offered a chance to work at F5. We had a couple of great examples, successful examples of interns fresh out of college, with immense talent, but given the opportunity, grabbing it with both hands and then becoming permanent F5ers. This year, for example, we have acquired 3 interns, and the policy is the same to help them with all the knowledge of the industry specific, and then give them a chance to contribute to the F5 and to the region as a whole.
Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Education-wise, actually, we were having this conversation the other night, but Dubai and UAE has been very forward with their education as well here.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, Dubai is sort of like a melting pot. So you have a lot of talent around, and the quality of education and the number of universities around is also really good. And as part of this internship program, one of the things that has been headed by our VP, Mr. Abu Khater, is to approach these universities and explain to them about our plan on, hey, we have this plan and we can provide opportunity for your students to be part of the F5 team. So yes, education is, the quality and standard of education is pretty good. The facilities are pretty good as well, and we are also, that gives us the chance to tap into some of the resources available so that we are inviting and attracting talent from these universities.
Yeah, I think it's also a pretty competitive market as well for all the projects that are happening. So, F5's got to be proactive in getting our top quality talent so that we can offer that to our customers. So, very cool. All right, I think we're going to have more to chat about this week. So, stay tuned for more. I really want to hit up some of these booths and talk and explore some of the digital city concepts here. So, maybe you'll be able to join me on one of those tours. Otherwise, thank you very much, Zakeer, for joining me today. It's been great actually meeting you in person as opposed to just email back and forth here and there, so that's been fantastic. Otherwise, we're going to have more videos, so check out the playlist. We'll link that down below. There's going to be other information as far as the other folks that we talked to, all that kind of stuff. Check out the descriptions. Otherwise, hit like on this video, subscribe, follow along, and otherwise we will see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks, man.
All right, man.